successfully the data frame is successfully loaded, but this time I didn't try to show the data frame because it will take much more time if you want to see the data frame. So I just want to know the column names of the data frame, so that I can select which columns that I need to work with. So I have this column section ID type clade. So I'm basically interested with the clade location and collection date, because that's what I need to do the variant analysis. So selecting new data frame. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select some columns, like I'm going to select the clade because that's what I'm interested. I want to select the location, and I want to select the collection date. Okay. These three columns I'm interested about, and I want to name this data frame as dbnew. So this time I also don't want to load the data frame, because I think if I try to, let's see how many times it takes. Oh no, this time it didn't take that much of time, so efficient. So what I will do, basically, that you see that the locations are basically subdivided into 7 different groups. So what I want to do, I want to select only the continents, so that I can use this data to uh, analyze the whole data frame according to continents. So I will change the names of the continent to basically shorter format. So names of the locations. Yeah, locations. So I will use a function called gsub here. The gsub is a function which basically takes the pattern of a string and replaces the pattern with our expected string that we want to put there. So I will call the gsub, and in the gsub, like, we want to change what we want to change. Like, there are so if we look into the data frame, it's the dbnew data frame, I guess. We have locations like Europe, then Oceania. So we want to change the whole string Oceania or Asia with Oceania or Asia. So for that purpose, what we will do is to like, we will say that OCEA. So we will say tell the machine that Oceania, and they will slash and dot and star. Star means it will replace everything that comes after it with Oceania, and I'll call it Oceania. Yeah, and I will change my target is the location column of the TV new data frame. The location column of the TV new data frame, and I want to update the TV new location. So the location has already been updated. Now I want to do the same thing for other antennas. So I'm going to copy and update my code for my expected location. Like for North America, I will change it with North America. And in the North America, there is a problem in the data frame that North America is spelled as North America somewhere else. So I want to update that also with North America will be updated with North America. And there is a data frame that where there is no space after North America. So I want to update that also. Now comes the South America. And in the data frame there is a spelling mistake, like for America there is S in the first place, so I will update that also. And Europe will be updated to Europe. And Asia will be updated to Asia. And there is a location called Central Asia, so I have to update that location also. Central Asia will be also Asia, and Africa will be updated according to Africa. And there is a location called USA, which is also a part of North America, so I want to update that location also. So now I'll run the code and see how long it takes. Hope we don't take a lot of time. Basically, updating all the data is very tiresome. It takes a lot of time to update all the data. So I think the data frame is loaded. Now I want to see the view of the the TV new data frame, how it updated TV new data, how it looks. So okay, now I want to see uh, how many unique locations are in the location data frame. I will call the TV new data frame, and it's I want to know the I want to select the location data frame, and I will create a pipeline which will say unique. So it will show me the unique locations. So it seems like that we have all the continents in our data frame. So I want to change the column names of the TV new data frame, because the column names are basically I want to change it according to my uh, preferences. So changing TV new. So for changing the column names, what we have to do, we have to create a vector of the expected names that we want to uh, put into the column name. Like this, select the location, and we'll change the date column to collection date to date column. So and we will update the location column of the data frame, and I want to see the new data frame again. What's wrong in there? So I want to select the uh, names of the TV new data frame. I want to change the names of the TV new data frame. Sorry. Now it should work. Yeah, it changed. Now I want to convert the date character to date object. So let's change convert the date to date object. So for changing the date to date object, I have to select the date column, and I will have to put the format, and for this reason I want to use a function called asDate, and I will select the TV new data frame and use the date column, and the format will be year first, then month and day. Month and day, and I want to update the TV new date column. TV new date column with this one. Now let's see how the head of the TV new date column looks like. So it will basically convert all the date character to date object, which is basically date. So see, this is date object character, and this is date object. So now I'll drop all the columns that all the rows having NA values, not assigned values. The rows so I will select the TV new column and I will say it like drop in. So it will drop all the uh, having all the rows having every rows, and I want to update the existing data frame with this one. And after updating, uh, I just want to I just want to select the location. After updating, I want to just select the location because according to the location, oh no, uh, I want to create the clade graph of the first graph. So for that reason, I want to drop the location and I will count the clades according to the date. So for that reason, what I do is I will take the TV new column and I will drop the location column. Location column, and I will call it as TV new selected. Now let's see how the TV new selected column looks like. Okay, I just selected the date and the clade location. Let's